चलिए सॉलिड स्टेट का आज हम एक नया टॉपिक लेते हैं, डिफेक्ट इन सॉलिड। तो क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड हमारे उनमें डिफेक्ट इन सॉलिड्स और वी कैन से इम्परफेक्शन इन सॉलिड्स और डिसऑर्डर इन सॉलिड्स। फिर बच्चों, दिस इज द अरेंजमेंट, थ्री डायमेंशनल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स in a solid. Particles are arranged in a proper order in three-dimensional pattern. Look here. The site, the space, the area where particle occupied, the area which is occupied by the particles, that area is known as lattice site. That area is known as lattice site or lattice point, L-A-T-T-I-C-E, lattice site or lattice point. And in between the particle there is gap. However, we have shown here a big gap, but this gap is very small. So this gap in between the particle, that void or that hole or that gap, it is known as interstitial site, I-N-T-E-R-S-T-I-T-I-A-L, interstitial site or interstices. It is known as interstitial site or interstices. So look here, when particles are arranged in a proper order in a crystalline solid, then such type of solid is known as perfect crystal or perfect solid, because there is no deviation in the arrangement of particles, there is no deviation in the layer, in the line, in the row. So if look here, so this is perfect crystal. Another one, from here one particle is missing, one particle is missing, or one particle has dislocated, has displaced its lattice site, its actual position, and it displaced from here to interstitial site. So such type of solid is known as to have imperfection, to have defect in solid, or it is imperfect solid. So remember, this is perfect crystal and it is imperfect crystal. This crystal has defect. So what kind of defects are there? There are different types of defect in non-ionic solid and in ionic solid. We will take here in ionic solid and in non-ionic solids. So when there is deviation in the arrangement of particles, then such type of defect is known as point defect. And this is deviation. Look here, we are taking here point defect, especially in non-ionic solid. So one is vacancy defect. What is happening in vacancy defect? Particles are arranged in their lattice site in their proper order, but one particle is missing from here, one particle is missing from here. Suppose you are having a class of 20 students. 20 students are sitting in 20 seats, and one or two students are absent. One or two students are absent, then there will be vacancy in the class. Seat will remain vacant. So such type of defect is known as vacancy defect. What is the consequences of this defect? What is happening? Look here, volume remains same, but due to missing of two or more particles, mass of solid will, so density will decrease, because density is equal to mass upon volume. Volume same, but mass is decreasing. So denominator increasing, numerator decreasing. So what happen here? Density will change. So density will decrease. And in case of interstitial defect, here again these are the lattice sites, lattice points where particles or atom and lattice points are occupying their proper space, their defined space, their specified space. But what is happening here? One particle is missing from here, but this is not missing, it is displaced. It has been displaced from its lattice site, its proper position, and where it is dislocated, from here to here, and this area is known as interstitial site. So, or interstices. Again, the particle here, from its defined position, from its specified position, it is displaced to interstitial site. Means 20 students are there in the classroom, all students are present, but 2 seats are lying vacant. Why 2 seats are vacant? Because 2 students are not seated at their actual seats, at their proper seats. They are sitting elsewhere in the classroom. So students are same, means number of particles are same here, and volume is same, so there will be no change in density. Mass is same, volume same, so no change in density. So there are 2 defects here, in especially we can talk about a non-ionic solid. Vacancy defect means missing, particle are missing, 20 students are there but 2 students are missing, so density will decrease. Interstitial sites, all students are present, all particles are present, but 2 students means 2 particles are not seated at their location, at their proper position. They are shifted from their proper position, from their lattice site to interstitial site, means interstices. And what are the consequences of this defect? Here there will be no change in density, but here density will change, density will decrease. And now we will talk about ionic defect in ionic crystal.